Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We have started this lesson, interior of our Earth, inside our Earth,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
and I hope you have understood clearly about the three different layers of the Earth. Which are the
Yes, ma'am.
which are the three different
Yes,
layers
ma'am.
of the Earth?
Ma'am, trust,
Trust,
mental,
mental,
and
core. Ma'am,
core.
trust, mental, core.
Very good. Crust,
Morning, ma'am.
mantle, and core. Yes. Then, yes. Then, which is the thinnest layer? Which is the thinnest?
Ma'am, core. Ma'am, trust.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
trust.
trust. Ma'am, trust.
Ma'am, trust.
Thinnest layer.
Ma'am, trust.
Ma'am, thinnest trust.
Yes.
Ma'am, trust.
Crust is the thinnest and the uppermost layer. Uh, Clear? See here, I had asked you to
Yes,
underline
ma'am.
here this. Then we have understood about this rocks and minerals. The definition of rock was clear.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
started with the
Yes, ma'am.
okay. This definition I'd ask you to underline about rock. What is a rock? What is a rock?
And
Ma'am, any natural
any
made of
natural mass
minerals,
of
matter that
mineral
make up the
matter that
earth
makes
crust is
up the
called a
Earth's crust is called a rock.
Very good. Then we have read about igneous rocks.
yes, ma'am.
Igneous rock.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the other
Yes,
name we
sediment.
can call out about igneous rock?
Ma'am, fire.
Ma'am, ma'am, fire.
Primary rock.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
fire.
Igneous, the word igneous is taken out from the Latin word ignis, means fire. But the other word we know about is they are called as primary rock. Igneous rocks are also called as primary rocks. And then how many types it is divided into? Igneous
ma'am,
rocks are
intrusive.
two
Ma'am,
types. Very good. Intrusive
Ma'am,
and
two.
exclusive.
ma'am,
Intrusive and
intrusive and
exclusive.
exclusive.
We have read about this
Yes.
Intrusive
intrusive.
rock and exclusive rock.
Yes. What are intrusive and exclusive? Can anybody define me first? Exclusive. Extrusive rocks. What are
Rocks
exclusive rocks?
formed on the मैम जो मैम crust पे बनते हैं मैम तो मैम rocks formed on crust
Crust oil होता है.
मैम outer layer पे मैम जो भी बनते हैं तो मैम
Yes.
exclusive कहते हैं
Yes. Uh, when the molten magma comes on the Earth's surface and rapidly cools down on the surface and becomes solid, then it is in the form of extrusive igneous rock. Then intrusive.
मैम जो मैम earth के मैम deep में होते
Inside.
हम जो अर्थ के अंदर ही ठंडा हो जाता है.
Very good. When the hot molten magma cools down deep inside the earth crust, then it is called as intrusive. Example of exclusive we have read. Example of exclusive is example of exclusive.
Basalt.
हैं
Basalt.
basalt
Yes.
और मैम
Example of exclusive rock is basalt. And basalt example, which plateau is made up from basalt?
मैम Deccan plateau
Deccan plateau is made from basalt rock. Clear? Then example of intrusive rock. Example of intrusive rock.
Granite.
मैम granite
Yes, granite is an example of intrusive. Now we come to the second type of rock, that is sedimentary rocks. How they are formed. Okay. Now rocks roll down, crack and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. When from the high means altitude, when rocks roll down, when कुछ भी ऊपर से नीचे गिरेगा तो क्या होगा? बिखरेगा, टूटेगा.
yes मैम टूट जाएगा मैम
टूट जाएगा. So same thing happens with the rocks only when it rolls down from the high mountains or high altitudes. ऊपर ऊंचाई से वो roll down होती है नीचे. और जब नीचे roll down होते हैं वो बीच में से उनके crack आ जाता है and they sometimes hit each other also and they are broken down into small fragments. Small fragments means small pieces. Small fragments means small pieces. Now
Small
these,
pieces.
these smaller particles are called sediments, and these small fragments or small pieces are called as sediments. Now these sediments are transported. These sediments are transported. Transported means carried away. ये छोटे छोटे जो टुकड़े होते हैं रॉक्स के, they are carried away and then deposited. Deposited means settled at another place. यहाँ से उठ कर गए, transported, and they are settled at another place by the by whom? By
Wind.
wind and water.
Wind and water.
पानी या तेज हवा जब चलती है तब ये सेडिमेंट्स उनके साथ बह करके दूसरी जगह डिपॉजिट हो जाते हैं. And these loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. अब ये जो लूज और सेडिमेंट्स हैं, ये एक के ऊपर एक फॉर्म ले लेते हैं, कलेक्ट होते जाते हैं, एंड दे कंप्रेस और हार्डन हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, एंड दे फॉर्म अ लेयर ऑफ रॉक. ठीक है, पहले एक थोड़ा सा ग्रुप आया, यहाँ सेटल हो गया, फिर सेडिमेंट्स का दूसरा ग्रुप आया वापस से यहाँ पर. जैसे ही विंड और वाटर का प्रेशर कम होता है, विंड और वाटर का प्रेशर कम होता है, वहां पर जैसे प्रेशर कम होता है तो वहीं सेटल होने लगते हैं सेडिमेंट्स. देन इट टेक्स द फॉर्म ऑफ सेडिमेंट्री रॉक. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल सैंडस्टोन इज मेड फ्रॉम ग्रेन्स ऑफ सैंड. जो सैंडस्टोन है, सैंडस्टोन इज अ रॉक, इज अ टाइप ऑफ रॉक. इट इज मेड फ्रॉम द ग्रेन्स ऑफ sand. Grains means particles, है ना, particles of sand. These rocks may also contain fossils of plants, animals, and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Now these rocks means we are talking about which rocks?
Sedimentary rock.
Sedimentary rocks. So these rocks, sedimentary rocks, also contain what? Fossils of plants. Now what are fossils? Fossils are
plants that dead or animals.
Very good. The remains of dead plants and animals and trapped in the layers of the rocks are called as fossils. जो plants और animals, अब ये layers यूं एक के बाद एक wind और water से carry होकर sediments जब एक के बाद एक लेयर में आते हैं तो जरूरी थोड़ी ना कि सारी लेयर्स एक साथ ही आवे. एक बार एक लेयर आई है, एक लेयर हुई है, उसके बाद मे बी पॉसिबल सम एनिमल और प्लांट और माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म में सेटल देयर, वहां पर रहने लग गए होंगे. फिर जब तक दूसरी लेयर आई तब वो क्या हो गया, उसको कंप्रेस हो गई, वो फिर डेड हो गया प्लांट एंड एनिमल. दैट इज व्हाई वी कैन से दैट द रिमेन्स ऑफ डेड प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स ट्रैप्ड इन द लेयर्स ऑफ द rocks and they are called as fossils. Clear? Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rock. Now the third type of rock. This is the third type of rock. How it is formed? Through igneous and sedimentary rocks. When igneous and sedimentary rocks, both igneous and sedimentary rocks, when both of them, yes. This was the first we have read about igneous. Then second we have read about sedimentary. Now third, when igneous and sedimentary rocks change into metamorphic rock. And how they change? Under great heat and pressure. Vanshika, please keep your mic off. So these two rocks, when great heat and pressure is put on these two rocks, then it changes itself. The form is changed into metamorphic rock. Now, example of this metamorphic rock is clay changes into slate and limestone into marble. Clay changes into which rock? Slate. And limestone, limestone chuna, kabhi-kabhi into marble. Clear? Now, this paragraph is about uses of rock, importance of rock. Rocks are very useful to us. Rocks हमारे लिए बहुत ही important है. The hard rocks are used for making roads, houses and buildings. Houses, roads, buildings बनाने के काम में आती है rocks. You use stones in many games. Stones बहुत काम में लिए जाते हो आप games में. For example, 7 stones. 7 stones वाला games खेलते हो आप?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 7 stones.
Yes, ma'am.
Also called as pittu. फिर hopscotch.
Yes, ma'am.
Hopscotch भी खेलते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am.
लंगड़ी टांग. And then 5 stones. 5 stones गिट्टी. 5 स्टोन से खेलते ना, पत्थर उछाल करके, स्टोन्स उछाल करके
Yes,
खेलते हैं,
ma'am.
1
Yes, ma'am.
2 3 4 ऐसे करके।
Yes, ma'am.
तो these are the different types
Yes,
of
ma'am.
games. फिर next, now red fort is made up of red sandstone, clear, and Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. 1 mark question can be asked. Don't leave any part of the lesson. Side boxes are also
Yes.
important. Now you will be
मैम जो
surprised.
नॉर्मल रॉक्स होते हैं थोड़े पीचेस टाइप के, वो कौन से रॉक्स होते हैं?
What happened, beta? Hello.
मैम वो नॉर्मल जो रॉक्स होते हैं पीच टाइप के, वो कौन से रॉक्स होते हैं?
बेटा वी कैन नॉट डिफरेंशिएट, जो रॉक्स में इन्वॉल्व है इस पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटी में, वही बता सकता है दैट इज इग्नियस और सेडिमेंट्री, और कैसा है वो रॉक, है ना। हेलो, बट वी कैन से अगर हम सैंडस्टोन बाय करने जा रहे हैं, अगर हम सैंडस्टोन बाय करने जा रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स अगर हम पर्टिकुलर नाम लेकर बोलते हैं कि वी नीड सैंडस्टोन, देन डेफिनेटली वी विल हैव द सेडिमेंट्री रॉक, क्लियर। इफ वी आस्क फ्रॉम द शॉप ग्रेनाइट, वी वांट ग्रेनाइट, that means definitely we will have the igneous rock, clear. Now this you will be surprised to know that one type of rock changes into another type. Now one type of rock changes into another type in certain conditions in a cyclonic manner. When one type of rock changes into another type under certain condition, कुछ conditions ऐसी हो जाती है, कहीं heat and pressure ज्यादा हो जाता है, then it takes the form of another rock. It is called as the transformation of the rock from one to another is called as rock cycle. Now this is the definition of rock cycle. Rock cycle क्या है? When one rock changes its form to the other under certain condition, कुछ conditions ऐसे apply हो जाती है, तब वो form change कर देती है rock अपना, then this is called as cyclonic manner. एक से we will come to know about now in detail here. Now you have already learned when the molten magma cools. जब ये molten magma deep inside the earth, ये जो magma red hot molten magma निकलता है, when it solidifies and become igneous rock, जब वो बाहर निकलता है on the surface, it becomes solidifies, cools down, solidifies and becomes the igneous rock, clear. Now this igneous rocks are broken down into, as we have read earlier in the lesson, that these igneous rocks are broken down into sediments, clear. छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में ब्रोक हो जाती है, sediments हो जाते हैं इनका. When these sediments are transported and deposited to form the sedimentary rock. अब ये sediments water और wind से carry away हो जाता है, transport हो जाता है, and they deposited at place in the forms of layers, and that takes the form of sedimentary rocks. And then when the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, जब इनको ज्यादा heat and pressure दे दिया जाता है sedimentary और igneous rocks को, तो ये क्या होता है? They change into metamorphic rock, clear. The metamorphic rocks which are still under great heat and pressure melt down to form molten magma. अब इसमें still क्या है? Heat और pressure बहुत ज्यादा है, very hot and very what? Pressure is very much here inside, deep inside in these rocks, metamorphic rocks. So again these rocks melt down, पिघलने लगती हैं, and then it takes the form of molten magma, and this molten magma again cool down, solidifies and takes the form of igneous rock. So in this way the cycle goes on. I hope it is clear. This
Yes,
cycle,
ma'am.
rock cycle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now rocks are made up of different minerals. Rocks are made up of different minerals.
Different minerals.
Minerals are naturally occurring. Now this is the definition of minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances and which have, yes, underline this, which have certain physical properties, Now minerals are what? Natural occurring, nature में हमें provide हुआ है ये minerals, but they have physical properties, definite chemical composition. उनमें जितना भी chemicals है, जितना भी properties इसके अंदर है, वो definite है, particular quantity मेंशन है कि इतना मिनरल, इतना कंपोजिशन केमिकल कंपोजिशन है उस मिनरल में. Now minerals are very important. Now this year we are shown about the uses of minerals. Minerals are very important to humankind. Some are used as fuels. Now which minerals are used as fuels? Coal, natural gas and petroleum. And they are also used in industries. अब कौन कौन सी इंडस्ट्रीज में मिनरल्स काम में आते हैं? आयरन, एल्यूमिनियम, गोल्ड, यूरेनियम, etc. Clear? And we also have minerals in medicines और fertilizers में भी हमें minerals मिलते हैं. I hope here it is clear the uses of minerals.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This comes to an end of the lesson. Question answers today I'm going to send you in the group also and on student portal also. Question answers of geography lesson 2 will be uploaded after 2 o'clock. Clear? And
Yes, ma'am.
pick the correct and match the column you can mark just now. The rocks which is made up of molten magma is?
Ma'am, igneous.
Very good.
Ma'am, igneous.
Yes, igneous rock.
Igneous.
The innermost layer of the earth is?
Ma'am, coal.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
coal. Ma'am, B coal.
Core. Very good.
Ma'am, B coal.
Gold, petroleum and coal are the example of?
Minerals. Ma'am, minerals.
Very good.
Minerals.
Yes. Rocks which contain fossils are?
Ma'am, sedimentary.
Ma'am, sedimentary rocks.
Very good.
Sedimentary.
Very good. Sedimentary rocks. And the thinnest layer of the earth?
Crust.
Ma'am, crust.
Crust.
Ma'am, crust.
So mark the
Very-
correct and match the column here only. Now match the column. Core. Don't mark
कोल
the
सबसे बड़ा होता है.
Layer.
कोल सबसे थिकनेस्ट लेयर होता है.
thinnest सबसे कम. And the percentage is also
कोर
core is not the thinnest layer. Thinnest is the crust. Thinnest तो crust है. हाँ, thinnest is the crust.
Ma'am, outermost and the thinnermost.
Yes.
मैम थिकेस्ट.
नहीं, thickest नहीं बेटा, thickest mental. You can see the percentage we have read about. Thickest so you have read about this na 84% consists of metal.
Mental.
Mental,
Yes,
है ना?
ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now comes to match the column. Core is?
Innermost
Ma'am,
layer.
E. Innermost layer.
E.
Innermost layer. Minerals have definite chemical.
Ma'am, has definite chemical composition.
Yes, and it has
D.
definite chemical composition.
D.
And then rocks.
Used for
Ma'am, D is for roads and buildings.
Yes, rocks used for rocks and roads and buildings. Then clay.
ma'am, earth surface.
Clay is
Change into slate.
Oh,
change into slate. Clear? Fourth year change. And soil.
Process of transformation of the rock.
Ma'am, consists of transition of rock.
Soil beta Si silicon Al alumina
silicon and
made
aluminum.
of silica and alumina. Here.
Ma'am,
SI or ma'am A.
Ma'am, made of silica.
Now this A1 is wrong, extra one, and this G is also extra one. No need to mark this A and G. You mark this number one innermost. हाँ, yes, confuse करने के लिए आपको extra दे देते हैं. So you don't get confused. You just put wrong on that number which is extra one. Rest you mark with the numbers. Line draw नहीं करना है.
Yes, ma'am.
लाइन से
Then.
आपको पता नहीं पड़ता. जैसे मैंने नंबर स्लाइड लगाया है, यहाँ वाले नंबर इधर लगाने प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में. क्लियर? तो कोर इनरमोस्ट लेयर.
Yes.
Minerals has definite chemical composition. Rocks used for roads and buildings. Clay.
Used for roads and buildings.
Clay
Change into slate.
Soil made of silicon and alumina.
Made of silicon and aluminum.
Clear? I hope it is clear, everyone.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And question answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Question
ma'am.
answers. I'm going to share it to you. Wait a second. Just now I'm going to please. Are you all able to see?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the question answers. I'm going to share it in the group. What are the 3 layers of the earth? Crust, mantle, core. What is the rock? This I had already asked you to underline in the book also. Name 3 types of rocks. Igneous,
Yes, ma'am.
sedimentary, metamorphic. What are fossils?
Sedimentary or
Fossils also definition I had asked you. Crust, uppermost.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
मैम मुझे मैटमॉर्फिक रॉक समझ में नहीं आया.
Metamorphic rock. Okay, wait a second. Wait, let me discuss first question answers. Now these 7 will be very short questions. Then metamorphic rock. Short question, metamorphic rock. Now what are metamorphic rock? These types of rocks formed with igneous and sedimentary rocks. ये जो rocks है metamorphic, ये किससे बनते हैं? Igneous और
Igneous and
sedimentary rock.
sedimentary.
Both. अब ये कैसे, इसमें ज्यादा heat और pressure दिया जाता है. When these solidifies, the rocks rocks कैसे बनते हैं? Hot molten magma comes and solidifies on the earth surface, तो igneous बनता है. Sedimentary, broken down, these igneous rocks are broken down into small sediments and settled, transported and settled. They are called sedimentary rocks. And when these igneous and sedimentary rocks experience heat and pressure, जब इनको ज्यादा heat और pressure inside the earth मिलता है, inside the earth जब ज्यादा heat और pressure मिलता है, then they change. किसमें change हो जाता है? Metamorphic rock में.
Metamorphic.
क्लियर? और वो पहले से ही हीट और प्रेशर इसमें ज्यादा होता है मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक में, तो इसलिए जब ज्यादा हीट और प्रेशर, तो कूल डाउन होने में भी टाइम लगता है, तो इन दैट केस ये पिघलने लगता है. जब कूल डाउन नहीं होता है तो ये मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स पिघलने लगते हैं एंड इट अगेन टेक इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मोल्टन मैग्मा. और फिर वो मोल्टन मैग्मा वापस से हॉट कम्स आउट फ्रॉम डीप इनसाइड द, ये सब फॉर्मेशन मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक जो डीप इनसाइड द अर्थ फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है. Clear? Their pressure and temperature is very high. I hope it is clear, beta.
Yes,
Metamorphic rock. Then we have
Yes,
read about
ma'am.
sedimentary rocks made up of. Then rock cycle also. Now in this rock cycle, the question is, what do you mean by rock cycle? Explain with the diagram. Now you have to write down the rock cycle definition here. Plus you have to draw the diagram. Now diagram is given here. I had given the diagram here. But if it is not clear here, you can see the diagram from the book also. Rock cycle diagram is given in the book.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये rock cycle जो rock cycle का diagram भी बनाना है question number 3 short में. ठीक है? यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा है, स्पेस नहीं छोड़ना है, मेरे यहाँ स्पेस छूटा हुआ, don't leave any space. You just, if space is there, you can draw it here only directly. First write down the definition and the rock cycle of the rock cycle and then draw the diagram of rock cycle, putting the heading and all. Properly mention the labeled diagram. It should be labeled diagram, igneous, sediments और ये सब कुछ. ठीक है? What are the uses of rock? ये दिया है. फिर लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस में है एक्सक्लूसिव इंट्रूसिव का डिफरेंशिएशन, मिनरल्स का है, फिर साइल एंड साम्या का डिफरेंस है. सो दिस थिंग यू विल बी डूइंग इन द नोटबुक एंड ट्राई टू कंप्लीट द वर्क. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
As soon as you get the work, you try to complete. So that's all for today. In our next class, whenever we will meet, we will continue with our history lesson number 3. Clear? We will continue with our history. So when we meet again in our next class, you should have your history books with you.
On Saturday.
Huh?
On Saturday.
On 7 August.
7th of August. Yes.
Yes.
So
मैम 7th of August को शायद से बुक सबमिट कराने जाना है.
हाँ, 7th of August में बुक सबमिट करने जाना है. Yes, yes. Yes, you are correct.
मैम क्लास नहीं होगी.
हाँ, अगर बुक सबमिट करने जाना है अगर 7th of August को, तो क्लास नहीं होगी. बट अभी तो होगी ना बेटा.
हम नोटबुक सबमिट करवानी है.
हाँ, नोटबुक सबमिट करवानी है आपको SST की. क्लियर? सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेट यू कैन सबमिट द. यस,
31st को क्लास है.
31st को क्लास है ना बेटा. अभी एक सैटरडे आएगा बीच में.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? Okay. So that's all for today. That's all for today.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice
Bye.
day, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.